Hello, Horace here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with your Lyft app on your phone. So first thing that you want to do is go up to the Play Store, search bar, find your Lyft app, right there, Lyft, check if you have the newest version of the app. If you have the newest version of the app like here, everything should be alright, but if it's not, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first way, go up to the settings, go up to the apps, see all, go here, find your Lyft app, Lyft, permissions, and maybe you just need to allow all, not allowed, like here, just all of them, all. Back here, Wi-Fi data usage, unrestricted mobile data usage, go back. After this there should be more any issues. If you still got some, go back to the Play Store, uninstall, and reinstall. After this there shouldn't be more any issues with the app. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.